With the 11th pick of the 2020 MLB Draft, the Chicago White Sox select Garrett Crochet, a left-handed pitcher from the University of Tennessee. The Cincinnati Reds have the next pick.
Now, you could be looking at the pitcher with the best overall stuff in this draft class. This kid's 6'6", a lefty, hits 100 miles an hour, made only 36 appearances and 13 starts in his 3 years at Tennessee, so that might raise an eyebrow. His sophomore season was interrupted when he suffered a fractured and dislocated jaw. He was hit with a line drive.
Ouch.
He returned just 2 weeks later to lead the Vols to their first NCAA tournament win since 2005. Only made one appearance this year, did both a shortened season and precaution over a sore shoulder. But what this guy lacks in track record, he makes up for stuff, man. Al, fastball you can dream on. If there's a kid, the comparisons here, you've heard Chris Sale before, and here he is drafted by the White Sox. You talked about, Reed Detmer's going next. He'll be there next year in the big leagues. Who knows? The White Sox think outside the box and using lefties like this before, right?
So when I get into this breakdown, Rick Hahn did not collaborate with me, but I did use that reference. Listen, there's every reason why you like Garrett Crochet because of what you just described. I mean, a big, tall guy, left-handed, and he throws bullets. I mean, in this quarantine time, he's been up to 100. You just look at this. This is not a comfortable at bat at all. But it's primarily fastball slider, which, okay, I think there's so much more room, and they're scratching the surface. But yes, look at this. Chicago White Sox fans, let's dream on this a little bit. But now watch here. When you stop, high elbow, similar position, a little bit left to right.